this bottle until it get hollow.
What is up, everybody? Res M3 back here again. I don't know if you can hear me well, but we are here at Car Haven in Waukegan, and we're just cleaning our cars. Boy V just installed his exhaust, but we're over here. Everybody just wiping it down. This is the VIP section. We got invited out here, so we're gonna make the best of it, and maybe we're gonna do a new idea that I've been having. But you'll see if we do that today or if we bring it out in another video. But for now, let's enjoy the cars.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, bang got my hand, call.
Supra that you just saw, it belongs to my man Chris here. Go ahead and let us know what's done to this thing.
So basically what you're seeing is the first retail version of the Supra in the world. I got it back in July of 2019. I already had the first Pandem Rocket Bunny wide body kit for it before I even got the car. It's got a full AEM meth kit, Ecotech tune, P-tuned G30 1050 Garrett turbo, a full nitrous, staged nitrous kit, and just all the goodies that you can get. Air ride performance suspension, a bunch of custom one-off parts from Rocket Bunny and Chimera. It's signed by Chimera in multiple places. It won Supra of SEMA just this past year at SEMA. So
awesome. Yeah,
it's got a little bit of everything, and we just keep going further with it.
And you're telling me a little bit about how they flew you out to the Nürburgring to test it out before?
Yeah, I was working with Toyota to get the first one in the country because I planned on building it, and they flew me out to Nürburgring, and they let me drive one out on the ring right before the 24 hours of Nürburgring. And then we also got to go to Graz, Austria to go see it being built.
That is awesome, guys. Well, thank you, Chris, for your time. He also has that badass GTR that's over there, but we're gonna take a look at that in a little bit. But thank you so much for your time. Go follow him and everything at Slow GTR. It's right there. I'll be post tagging you also. But thank you again, Chris. I really appreciate it.
Absolutely, brother. Take care, man.
Yeah, you too. What is up? We're still here at Car Haven. Right now, everybody's lining up to do the exhaust competition. So you know I had to put my car in the exhaust competition. So everybody's lining up. I don't have two-step, and I don't have a downpipe yet. And there's a lot of GTRs and boosted cars. But let's see what I can do out here. But it's gonna be a good time.
Everybody tag him right now.
You already know, Chris. Good job, man. That shit was awesome. I had to move. I didn't want to get lit on fire.
Let's go. All right, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the show.
Good job, buddy.
All right, make sure to follow Power Waukegan and Chicago Car Meets. We're out here. Let's go! Oh, yeah.
That was the exhaust battle. A bunch of crazy cars. I tried to get my best of the GTR, but my ears hurt and I didn't want to get burned, lit on fire. So, but that was pretty decent. B said my car was really loud, so that's good. But pretty awesome. Great turnout, great event. Definitely hoping to attend more of these. Hope you guys can hear me too. Here's V. How did my car sound? Was it loud?
Sounds pretty loud, man.
Loud?
Pretty loud. You hear all the pops? That shit's amazing.
I need the downpipes next. So I can be louder, but all right. So we're gonna keep ending it. We're gonna keep filming, and then we'll go from there. This is the final two. This yellow Corvette. I'll crack it.
Second, we have the Corvette.
I think the Infinity's gonna win. Yeah, dude, check it out.
At the end of the rev, okay? Ready? 10-second rev. Infinity, 1, 2, 3.
Who do you think raps louder? The Infinity! Or that? Infinity! Alright, we're gonna do this one more time. The Infinity! Alright, the Infinity wins, baby!
Hey, good shit, man. Good shit.
Thank you.
Winner of the exhaust competition right here.
Good rev. You won the rev off.
Hell yeah.
Congratulations.
Let's go.
Good job, son. Let's go.
Yeah, good shit, man. So, the Infinity one, I don't know if it's a G35, G37, brings me back to my 350Z days. But we're out here at Car Haven, Power Waukegan. So great show, great turnout. We got V over here. We had an exhaust battle. We'll come back with downpipes even stronger, but you guys already know what to do. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Rez out. Hey, remember to comment, like, and subscribe for more. Rez out.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hotter.